Breaking news coming in. Air India Airbus with 169 passengers on board has made an emergency landing at the Lucknow airport with its windshield cracked. The wide-body aircraft was on its way to Bhubaneshwar from Delhi. Lucknow airport director has said that all passengers are thankfully safe. An Air India aircraft, an Airbus, makes an emergency landing at the Lucknow airport with 169 passengers on board. This after its windshield reportedly cracked. The aircraft was on its way to Bhubaneshwar and had to stop midway in Lucknow. Lucknow airport director has said that all passengers are safe.